Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. As you can see, we have many different colors. We've also got different packages also in our inventory. Now keep in mind what you see up front here, we've got another 20-30 in the back. So whenever you and I meet, we'll funnel that down and find out exactly what you're looking to achieve. First of all, I want to tell you the most important thing about the Elantra, that is the America's Best warranty. You'll have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you can reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.